Princess. Princess. Let's go eat. Come on, buddy. Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a day in the life video. On this particular day, I'm getting ready to teach Zumba class, and I wanted to bring you guys along. So this video will include my morning routine as far as me getting my animals taken care of first thing in the morning, me preparing breakfast, and me doing my hair, and just getting things in order so I can get ready to teach my Zumba class. I hope you guys enjoy. The beginning of the video, I took my animals out to use the bathroom. I also fed them for the morning, and then I put some eggs on to boil while I do my hair. And what I'm doing in my hair, guys, is just a simple hairstyle. I'm just adding some water and some mousse to my hair, and I'm going to twist it up in like a high ponytail. You know, something simple and easy since I'm going to be working out. Guys, comment below and let me know what your go-to hairstyle is for whenever you exercise or work out, such as when you go for a walk, even when you go swimming. Let me know what your go-to hairstyle is. Okay, beautiful people, I just wanted to give you guys a little information about myself. I am a licensed Zumba instructor, and I have been a Zumba instructor now going on 3 years, and I really, really do enjoy it. What I love about Zumba is because I love to dance and I love to have fun. And I feel like when you're working out, you want to find something that you enjoy doing because it will make it so much easier for you and you can get through your workout routine. So Zumba is my number one choice. And I used to take Zumba classes years ago and I really, really enjoyed it. Now that I'm a Zumba instructor, I like that I get to meet new people and we can motivate each other, exercise together, and have lots of fun. And guys, if you're someone who likes Zumba or just like to work out in general in the comfort of your own home because the weather is changing and we are going into the winter months, I will have my email address in the description below. And you can send me an email regarding a Zumba virtual class. And you can also send me an email regarding a workout session where we can work out together. Also, I will have my husband's information in the description below as well because he's a trainer. And I will also have his YouTube channel in the description as well. So now that my hair is twisted and rolled up, I'm going to charge my iPad and my Fitbit. Okay guys, so here's my breakfast for the morning. I have 3 boiled eggs. One with the yolk removed. Well, actually 2 of them, I removed the yolk. And I have an orange. So this is going to be a high protein breakfast, which is good because I'm going to be working out later today. The orange is a fresh fruit and it's good for vitamin C because I will be out and about around people and it will help my immune system. My cat's trying to go outside because he went outside earlier, as you guys can see. Sorry about that. And I also have 2 bottles of water that I'm going to drink for my breakfast. And here is the egg yolk from the 2 eggs that I took the yolk from. I'm going to give this to Princess. Okay, guys, so now that I'm done eating, it's time for me to get dressed. And this is the outfit that I'm going to wear, which is just something simple. Some nice black leggings, a black Zumba t-shirt, and some sneakers. I hope everyone has been enjoying my video so far. Thank you all so much for watching. And thank you all for coming along with me as I get ready for Zumba class, as far as eating breakfast, doing my hair, picking my outfit out, and just getting myself together. Guys, it's a simple process. However, it's fun and I really do enjoy it. And guys, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining. I really do appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. And I appreciate everyone that likes my videos, comment. And guys, it just means a lot to me. You guys rock. So guys, this portion of the video, I am preparing my gym bag. And in my gym bag, I take my iPad, a towel, my waist trainer, weights, water, amongst other things. Okay, beautiful people, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.